Welcome to linuxhelp.com. Today we'll see how to install Subrion CMS on Ubuntu 21.04. CMS means Content Management System. It is a software used to manage the digital content. Subrion CMS is a free open source content management system that allows you to build websites for any purpose. Subrion had framework API to add extra stuffs using hooks, plugins and packages. Prerequisites for Subrion CMS are Apache Web Server, MariaDB, PHP and its modules. First, I'm going to check the OS version by using following command. It is Ubuntu 21.04. Next, I'm going to create a database for Subrion CMS. For that, first I'm going to log into the MariaDB by using following command. First, I'm going to create a database. Next, I'm going to create a user. Next, I'm going to grant all privileges on Subrion CMS to the S user. Next, I'm going to flush the privileges. Next, I'm going to exit from the database. Next, I'm going to download the Subrion CMS by using following link. Next, I'm going to extract the downloaded file in the Apache home directory. Next, I'm going to change the ownership of that Subrion directory. Next, I'm going to change the permission for the Subrion directory. Next, I'm going to create a virtual host for the CMS. Here I have given document root directory and the server name. After completely editing this file, press escape :WQ for save and exit from the file. Next, I'm going to disable the default virtual host file. Next, I'm going to enable the Subrion virtual host file. Next, I'm going to enable the rewrite model for the Apache. Next, I'm going to restart the Apache web server. Next, I'm going to make the host entry for the server name. After completely editing, press escape, WQ for save and exit from this file. Now go to the browser and ping the server name. Click next. Accept the terms. Configure the database credentials. Create the admin credentials. Log in with admin credentials. This is the dashboard of the Subrion CMS. By this, how to install Subrion CMS on Ubuntu 21.04 has been completed.
Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, stay tuned to www.linuxhelp.com. If you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.